It's 7:40 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona. Time for me to hit the road, which I do just about every day. It's considerably warmer than it was just yesterday, and it's just going to be perfect for me. I won't be out there when it's like 80 degrees, but it'll be 60-ish, maybe even 70-ish while I'm out there. And today, while I'm riding around, I'm thinking about being a transient. I've been around transients my whole adult life, and I share the world with them. And if you haven't, then, well, stay with me and I'll see if I can explain. Let's ride. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Since I've lived in this neighborhood for several decades, you sure wouldn't call me a transient nowadays, but I've been one in the past. And now calm down, I'm not saying that I was ever homeless. Being a transient isn't the same thing as being homeless. It just means that you're not staying in one place for a long time. You know, a rambling man. And here's a good definition that I just found for transient: a person who is staying or working in a place for only a short time. When I was a kid, being a transient was celebrated. It meant you were traveling around. People sang songs about being a hobo. And really, hobos weren't the same thing as bums, although people use the term interchangeably. Hobos traveled around. Theirs was a life of ease. They might never have a regular job, and they were fine with that. Of course, transient people can be tempted to break the law sometimes. You know, every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. Yes, I'm quoting Roger Miller. That was my favorite song back when I was a kid. King of the Road. It's about a hobo. When I turned 18, I hit the road. I wanted to go see what the world looked like. I was a transient worker in Omaha for about a month. The company put me up in a hotel room, and then I moved on to Phoenix. By the time I got to Phoenix, I still hadn't decided what I was going to do. I thought I'd stay there for a little while. Ended up going to ASU, and then rambled on over to California. When I lived in Santa Barbara, I used to see a lot of transient people walking along the beach. Some of them had great big backpacks. Some of them were carrying what they could carry. And all of them smelled bad. We acknowledged each other because we wanted to send a message that neither one meant the other any harm, and I still do that. So if you're a transient person and you're not doing me any harm, and you're not panhandling or bothering me in any way, I wish you well. I have to admire people who are tough enough to be transient. Wouldn't work for me. I really like my comforts, like having a safe place to sleep at night. And I do talk to people, and if they're just down on their luck and they need a leg up, I will help them. Won't give them cash or anything, but I've been known to invite people into McDonald's to get some breakfast, and then direct them to where they can go get some more help. Thanks for riding along with me today. Now, hand me that guitar. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road,